In our recent class, we explored the concept of self-control, delving into techniques for managing impulses and emotions effectively. In today's class, we discuss the topic of voice training in music. Voice refers to the sounds emitted from the mouths of living creatures, particularly humans, during activities such as speaking, shouting, and singing. Classification of voice into parts. The human voice is classified into 4 parts when used in singing or musical compositions. These include soprano, alto, tenor, bass. Explanation of the voice range. Voice range, often studied in linguistics and related fields, measures the range of pitches a human voice can produce. Although mainly relevant in singing, a female singer's vocal range includes high notes, mezzo-soprano, and low notes soprano. History of music. Origin of music. Music originated from various sources, including 1. Hammer and anvil. Sound is created when a blacksmith uses a hammer and anvil to shape hot metal. 2. Bird sound. Birds produce a variety of sounds as they move. 3. Singing. Sound is generated when people come together to create composed tunes. 4. Rhythm. Music involves an orderly arrangement of notes, beats, bars, accents, and phrases, creating rhythm in double time, 2, triple time, 3, and quadruple time, 4. 5. Clapping. Humans create rhythmic sound by clapping their hands. 6. Sound. Organized sound can become music when well arranged. 7. Human voice. Sound is produced through the human voice before the introduction of musical instruments. 8. Roaring of ocean waves. Sound is observed around water bodies during strong winds. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.